Hello, May 1. So, we're going to work. Fighting.
I gave up halfway. I just went back na.
It's lang. True.
Okay.
It's time to eat lunch. Eggs, rice. I also have some wrap here. Our food: egg, giniling, rice, wrap for the egg, and sweet. Brown nga ombre, di kaya mo.
True, parang mga ganyan.
Carry naman siya.
Carry?
Yes.
Tapos may pag-liters kung may pag-liters.
Yeah, pwede.
True? Ay, ako talaga, no, sikat inspirational, we-block the wall. Ay, dapat ako.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Let's do that. Kasi bagsak talaga yung
True,
eyes
tas
mo.
sa laki ba naman ng
Mata. Oo, siguro.
alam mo na hindi ko.
True. Okay. Wait, kanina pa itong lamok dito. Malaki-laki. Before 10. Ano ba tayo? Mag-extensions pa tayo na? Oh, hindi tayo aabot ng ano. Yes.
Pagpati pa
Yes. Kung extensions tayo. So, let me check yung bukas. Okay. Saan?
Para ugali ko na lang yung pangit.
Oh my
Diba?
Bye! Yes, bye-bye.
Bye! Ingat!
Ingat ka din dyan. Let's eat. Pinamin. Ready?
Yes, let me just take a picture. I'll send it to my partner.
Okay, sure.
Oh my God, naligaw pa ako ng flight.
Naligaw ka?
Oo, kasi pinat ko sa nilagay ko sa Grab.
Oh.
Bumar Bemco building. Tapos,
The Cell Market!
Oo.
Oh my gosh! Bumarbem ko building na bukaw ka and dapat.
girl.
It's okay. What are we going to do today? Is it soft gel extensions?
Yeah, soft gel extensions.
Okay, almond.
Yeah, nasa picture.
Yeah, the same as that
This
one?
Yeah.
And the same length as well?
Yeah, just same length.
Okay, alright.
Well, it's our first day in here kasi kagabi kami nakarating.